What's the name of the book?
Dump truck. Tyjae.
Show them the book, Kate.
Okay.
Point it to the camera. Good job. Turn the other way. Good job. The happy man and his dump truck.
Tyjae.
Cool.
Wait, I have to see the everyone pictures.
Okay.
Is this
Turn.
a dump truck?
Yes. Yes, it's a dump truck.
Yes. It's my puppy.
Your puppy?
The puppy's gonna hurt me with my ears. She's gonna get closer to my face.
Oh my gosh.
Tyjae.
Yes.
It broke into parts.
It did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tyjae.
Yes.
This is a melon boat.
It's a what?
A melon boat.
It's a sailboat?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Tyjae.
Yes.
He got this very own stack.
They do?
The dude got a stack for the owl.
Wow, okay.
He can't sell over there.
Let's see.
Yes, he can't sell over there.
Show them what you're looking at. Show them.
Yes, he can't sell over there.
No, show them the book so they can see it too.
Fire truck.
Ooh, cool. What else?
A train.
A
The
train?
train just fell off the tracks.
It did?
Yeah. The happy man and his dump truck.
Very good.
UMPTRUEK.
Awesome.
THEHAPP. YMAN.
You're reading. Good job. Good job.
Look, Tyjae.
Good job. The happy man and his dump truck. You did very good.
NDHIS.
Very good. What else?
The happy man. Dump truck. Animals. Woodster fell off the truck. Tyjae. The woodster fell off the truck too. The dog fell off the truck too. And the pig fell off to the truck too.
They fell off the truck? Show them the page.
It's upside down.
Yes. Ooh. The happy man and his dump truck. Turn
Yes,
the
I put it
page.
upside down.
No. How are you going to read it?
I don't know if
So
it's
turn the
there.
page.
Wait, a man. Wait. Animals, and then animals. My dad dump truck riding the dump truck instead.
You have to show them the picture as you're talking.
That's my dad.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's riding the dump truck now. He got hurt with his tires. He got hurt too. DUMPTRUEK.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. So that was my dad is sitting on. That's what my dad's sitting on.
Okay.
He broke the tires.
He broke the tires too?
Yeah. Look.
Okay.
Look.
Yes, I'm looking.
Okay, I'm trying to read a book for everyone.
Okay. You want some help? I can
Yes.
help you.
Wait, and let me help myself.
Okay.
Wait. Two upside down.
Yes. Oh my goodness. What's going on in this picture?
This dump truck and my dad was sitting on.
Your dad is sitting on the truck?
Yeah.
Let's read. You ready?
Yes, that's my friend the pig.
Your friend the pig?
Yeah.
Say, once upon a time,
What's my turn?
there was a man who had a dump truck.
Please read the letters.
Yes, every time he saw a friend, he would wave his hand and tip the dumpster. Wave your hand, woo! One day, he was riding in his dump truck, singing a happy song when he met a pig going along the road. Would you like a ride in my dump truck, he asked. Oh, thank you, said the pig.
I said.
And he climbed into the back of the truck. After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand and tipped the dumper. Whee! Said the pig. What fun! And he slid all the way down to the bottom of the dumper. Whee! Very soon they came to a farm. Here is where my friends live, said the pig. You have a nice dump truck. Would you please let my friends see your truck? Ooh, I will give them a ride in my dump truck, said the man. Turn the page. Thank you. So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck. And the duck climbed into the truck. Yes, the rooster? That's the duck. Turn the page.
Please, Tyjae.
Turn the page, please. And the dog and the cat climbed into the truck. And the pig climbed back into the truck, too. All those animals in one truck? And the man closed the tailgate so they would not fall out. Good job. Can you turn the page for me? Thank you. And then off they went. They went past the farm and all the animals waved to the farmer. That's the farmer. And that's the animals. Can I read this part, please? The man was very happy. They are all my friends, he said, so he waved his hand and tipped the dumper. Turn the page. The animals were all so happy. Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the farm. Look how much fun they're having.
I need some help.
Need some help?
Yeah.
He opened the tailgate wide and raised the dumper all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck onto the ground. What a fine sliding board, they all said. They're having fun. Thank you, said all the animals. Cooka, cooka, clucked the hen. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the rooster crowed. Quack, quack, quacked the duck. Bow, wow, barked the dog.
This is the bark the dog.
Meow, meow, the cat.
This is the cat.
That's a cat. Turn the page. And the pig let out a big grunt. Oink, oink. The man waved his hand and tipped the dumper, and he rode off in the dump truck singing a happy song. He's ready to go. Turn the page. The end. And that is the end of the story of the happy man and his dump truck.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you read this?
Yes, we can read it again. Tell your friends bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.